All people encounter stress, and it's relevant to know and understand it in our life. In this topic, we will learn about stress and stress management. The first thing that we need to do is to define stress. What is stress? Stress is defined as a non-specific response of the body to any demand upon it. It is affects one's endocrine system, causing an secretion of adrenaline, which speeds up heart rate and raises blood pressure. These are two types of stress. Eustress is perceived as a positive stress in our lives. Distress, perceived as a negative type of stress that can be deplete or destroy life energy. There are common stresses that we encounter: test pressure, financial problems, frustration, problems in relationships, daily hassles, academic failures, and deadlines. Then, what are the causes of stress? The causes of stress are known as stressors, and there are literally hundreds of different types of stressors. Any event in life that a person finds threatening, difficult to cope with, or causes excess pressure can be a potential cause of stress. It is important to bear in mind that stress is an individualistic, subjective experience, and therefore, what one person finds stressful, another may not. Stressors can be broken down roughly into either external or internal life. Here are the ways to manage your stress. 1. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine. Avoid or at least reduce your consumption of nicotine and all drinks containing caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine are stimulants and so will increase your level of stress rather than reduce it. 2. Indulge in physical activity. Stressful situations increase the level of stress hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol in your body. 3. Get more sleep. A lack of sleep is a significant cause of stress. Unfortunately, though, stress also interrupts our sleep as thoughts keep whirling through our heads, stopping us from relaxing enough to fall asleep. 4. Try relaxation techniques. Each day, try to relax with a stress reduction technique. There are many tried and tested ways to reduce stress, so try a few and see what works best for you. One very simple technique is to focus on a word or phrase that has a positive meaning to you. Words such as calm, love, and peace work well, or you could think of a self-affirming mantra such as I deserve calm in my life, or brought me serenity. Focus on your chosen word or phrase. 5. Talk to someone. Just talking to someone about how you feel can be helpful. Talking can work by either distracting you from your stressful thoughts or releasing some of the built-up tension by discussing it. 6. Keep a stress diary. Keeping a stress diary for a few weeks is an effective stress management tool as it will help you become more aware of the situations which cause you to become stressed. Note down the date, time, and place of each stressful episode, and note what you were doing, who you were with, and how you felt about both physically and emotionally. 7. Take control. Stress can be triggered by a problem that may on the surface seem impossible to solve. Learning how to find solutions to your problems will help you more in control, thereby lowering your level of stress. One problem-solving technique involves writing down the problem and coming up with as many possible solutions as you can. 8. Manage your time. At times, we all feel overburdened by our to-do list, and this is a common cause of stress. Accept that you cannot do everything at once and start to prioritize and diarize your tasks. 9. Learn to say no. A common cause of stress is having too much to do and too little time to which to do it. And yet, in this situation, many people will still agree to take an additional responsibility. Learning to say no to additional or unimportant requests will help to reduce your level of stress and may also help you develop more self-confidence. 10. Rest if you are ill. If you are feeling unwell, do not feel that you have to carry on regardless. A short spell of rest will enable the body to recover faster. And those are the ways on how to manage your stress. Enjoy your life, overcome your stress. Thank you.